Hi, I'm Al, and I'm excited to be your host for today's workshop. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you everything you need to know about building loyalty through the Moneris Gift Card Program. Now more than ever, gaining and maintaining customer loyalty is really important for businesses both large and small. With so many options available to consumers both in-store and online, you need to give them a reason to continue coming back to your business. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you everything you need to know about building loyalty through the Moneris Gift Card Program. First, we'll take you through the 3 types of gift cards we offer and how they can be used to help boost your sales. Then, we'll hear from our National Account Executive, Chris Brown, about the current trends and experiences that we're seeing in the world of gift cards. From there, we'll provide you with some product updates so you can learn how the Moneris Gift Card Program can be incorporated into your business. To wrap up, we'll show you how you can promote your gift card offerings so that you can see how easy it is to add gift cards to your Moneris online website. Did you know 87% of Canadians both purchase and receive gift cards each year? This means if you're not currently offering them to your customers, you may be losing out on potential revenue. You're also losing out on building that customer loyalty that we mentioned earlier. Gift cards are a great way to get new and existing customers into your store. Plus, the customer that purchased a gift card and offered it to someone else is basically doing your marketing for you. The gift card recipient is sure to shop at your business and more than likely will pay more than the original value of the card. In fact, gift card holders spend an extra 60% beyond the original value of the card. And why not? If I received a $50 gift card and wanted something worth $60, I'd likely spend an extra $10 in store. On top of this, the fact that Moneris allows you to customize the design of your cards means your customers are essentially carrying around your business card, keeping your brand top of mind. Plus, with only a 200 order minimum, the Moneris Gift Card Program makes it possible for every size business to benefit from custom designed cards. This means you can include your logo or choose from a selection of holiday designs which cover every occasion. The best part is, Moneris Gift Card Program works on your existing Moneris POS terminal, so customers can redeem gift cards in-store anytime. The Moneris eGift Card Program is a web-based solution that allows you to sell your gift cards in digital form to customers visiting your website, whether your site has e-commerce features or not. It operates as an iframe on your website to ensure a consistent look and feel, providing a seamless experience for your customers. When a customer visits your site and makes a gift card purchase, the customer begins seamlessly interacting with the Moneris iframe to process their purchase. Because the iframe maintains your website's aesthetic, the purchase feels more comfortable and secure. Plus, eGift comes with the latest fraud protection tools so you can feel confident while you're reducing the risk of fraud. Once the eGift card's been purchased, the recipient will receive a text or email notification that there's an eGift card for them to download. And just like that, they're ready to start shopping. eGift cards work exactly like physical gift cards. They're just digital and are often stored on our phone's digital wallets or in our email inboxes. This means the chance of losing or misplacing your gift card is slim to impossible, and they're conveniently always on hand. The Moneris Gift Card Program is our all-in-one program that enables you to easily run your promotions by offering coupon-like gift cards that are customized with a unique promotion or incentive. Promo cards include a defined dollar amount that a customer can use for a purchase during a defined redemption period. This makes it easy to run time-controlled marketing campaigns that enhance the customer experience. Once you're ready to start tracking the success of your promo card campaign, we make reporting easy with 4 unique promo card reports. In fact, all 3 of our gift card offerings include standard reporting. With detailed insights and trends, you can take full control and optimize your gift card program to maximize your ROI. Once you've decided which type of gift cards are right for your business, it's time to promote them. And here's some ways you can reach a wider audience. You can email your customers and let them know about your gift card offering. You can place flyers and carryout bags for customers to read at home. You can encourage your staff to discuss the promotion with customers. You can promote your gift cards in social media posts. You can display signage in-store that features the promotion and the cards. Or you can feature the cards on your website in a homepage banner or display image. Using these tactics, you'll be able to spread the word about your gift card offerings. Just remember to step your game up around the holidays when shoppers are looking for last-minute gift ideas. For some internal insights, we reached out to our very own National Account Executive, Chris Brown, to shed some light on some frequently asked questions surrounding the Moneris Gift Card Program.
You can basically treat your eGift card just like a physical gift card and actually use it both in-store and online. You can just provide the code on the back of the card to the cashier and redeem it in-store. And actually, a lot of people may not know that you can actually use your physical gift cards online as well. It's ultimately best practice to offer all three types of gift cards, since they work together to bring in customers to your store from different areas. However, for businesses that have face-to-face interaction with their customers or run a lot of events, I would recommend offering promo cards as a way of getting new customers into your store. You can even throw them into a customer's shopping bag or gift bag as a reward for having them spend a certain amount of money in your store. Yes, a lot of small businesses who are going through tough economic times are actually going digital and adding electronic gift cards to their websites. It's been a great way to add another revenue stream and increase sales from last-minute shoppers and customers looking for contactless gifts in real time. You're making money instantly from electronic gift cards, regardless of when a customer redeems their gift card. It's much easier than you think. Merchants can usually get set up within just a few days, and they don't even need to take payments on the website, because eGift actually comes with Moneris checkout and includes some customization. Basically, all you need to do is create a landing page, and we provide the designs and functionality.
With all of this being said, we hope you now understand the value and importance of ordering gift cards for your business. To sign up or learn more about the Moneris Gift Card Program, visit go.moneris.com/giftcards@Moneris. Feel free to share this video and spread the news about the Moneris Gift Card Program. Remember to save this video so you can revisit later. Happy selling!